Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel where we make your money make sense and we break down your finances into simple, actionable steps. As we step into 2025, the financial landscape is changing. Interest rates are much higher and markets are unpredictable. Not to mention, technology is now shaping how we manage our money and in many cases, how we make our money. So what does that mean for you? Well, in today's video, I'm sharing top financial focuses as well as strategies for 2025. This is to help you thrive no matter what the economy throws your way. In this video, we're going to discuss saving smarter and how to make more money or generate more wealth. We're going to discuss everything you need to stay ahead financially in this year. Let's get into it. First up, we're going to discuss prioritizing your emergency fund. I know you've heard probably from many people that you need an emergency fund, you need an emergency fund. Well, I'm not only going to tell you that an emergency fund, but you also need to prioritize it so that it is at the top of your list as you prepare and matriculate through this year right here. Now, if last year and the previous years have taught us anything, it is to be prepared for uncertain times. Whether it's a job loss, medical expenses, or economic downturn, having a safety net can keep you afloat. In 2025, aim to have at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in a high-yield savings account. These accounts today offer on average 4% or even greater on your return. This way your money can grow whilst being accessible to you at all times. And always remember, your emergency fund is not just a savings, it is your protection and your armor from a financial standpoint. Number two, we want to embrace our high yield savings account. With interest rates on the rise, keeping your money in a traditional savings account is a huge mistake. High yield savings accounts is a game changer, offering a much higher return and interest on your accounts. For example, if you place $10,000 into a high-yield savings account, earning 4% interest instead of the traditional 1%, this could make a difference, a major difference, over a period of time. So you want to look for accounts that have a high yield return, no fees. You want to invest strategically in a volatile market. Investing can be very intimidating in a volatile environment, but volatility does not mean that you stay on the sidelines. Instead, focus on diversifying your portfolio and do so by mixing up your investments with ETFs, real estate, stocks, and make sure you're using dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly. This will help reduce the effects of the market's highs and lows. Additionally, consider markets or investments that tend to be consistent or steady, not to mention the industries that tend to perform well in uncertain times or unpredictable times, like healthcare and utilities. The key here is to think consistent and think long term. And remember, investing is about time in the market and not the timing of the market. This year, you want to concentrate on maximizing all of those accounts that you have in place, or at least start them so that you can maximize them. For your 401k, you want to contribute at least the amount that your employer is willing to match. That is free money, guys. It's free money. Maximize whatever they're going to match at least. Your IRAs, the traditional and the Roth, have huge benefits, and you want to maximize them as well. Your HSA or your health savings account, if you have a high deductible health plan, the HSA helps you save on the pre-tax dollars and even will invest it. These accounts will not only save you money, but they will also help you in gaining your wealth. In 2025, where our interest rates are at an all-time high, you really want to focus on reducing that debt. You can start off by using the debt snowball method, where you pay off your highest interest accounts first. Either way, guys, just get started with one or the other. Additionally, you want to just cut back on unnecessary expenses and use that money to help pay down the debt as well. And just remember, every dollar that you free up is a dollar that you can save or invest. And don't forget to explore opportunities to make additional income in 2025. A few ways you can do this is, one, by identifying opportunities to be promoted within your current job, if you have a job. The other way you can actually increase your income potential is by passive income means as well. The great thing about passive income, it doesn't require a whole lot of effort, and it's money that you can make fairly easily. 3 quick ways that you can make money from a passive income standpoint would be rental properties, digital products, and dividend-paying stocks. If you have rental income of some sort, that could create a steady flow of income on a monthly basis. And there are other ways to be creative, even if you don't have an income-producing property, but you have extra room in your home. You can leverage that to also rent out so that you can gain additional money as well. Regarding digital products, you can create ebooks or online courses fairly easy in today's economy. It doesn't take a whole lot of effort, and then you sell that product on social media platforms. It is fairly easy to do and doesn't take a whole lot of time these days. And if they are dividend paying, you want to find out if you are reinvesting those dividends, and if that's the path that you would like to continue, that's perfectly fine. But you can also have that money available to you to invest on your own or for whatever reason you would need it. Passive income does not only boost your financial security, but it also gives you the opportunity to focus on other financial goals. You want to also reassess your housing decision. With interest rates and housing at an all-time high, deciding whether to buy or rent is very crucial in 2025. Renting offers flexibility, but buying allows you to gain equity over a period of time. If you are considering home ownership, you want to run the numbers very carefully. Can you afford the down payment, the closing cost, and the monthly mortgage? If not, renting may be the smarter choice for you this year. And just remember, it's all about what makes sense to your financial future and not what everyone else is doing. In 2025, you want to make sure that you are on top of all the AI and fintech innovations. Technology is transforming our personal finances and how we manage our finances. AI-driven tools and fintech apps can help you save money as well as make money. Additionally, it can help you manage your money more effectively as well. For example, using apps such as YNAB can help you manage and track your money very easily. You can also use Acorn or Betterment for investing. It will allow you to do investments very easily. And not to mention, automating your savings will allow you to pay your bills if you automate your bill payments as well, very easily without very little effort. Staying on top of technology will allow you to not only save, it will definitely help you improve the way you manage your finances and ultimately lead to better financial outcomes. This year, you also want to prepare for the shifting in all your taxes. Believe me, the policies are going to change, so you want to work with a tax preparer or a tax attorney or a CPA to identify exactly what those changes are so that you are prepared. By using a professional, you are able to maximize your knowledge, one, but also your earning potential in terms of saving some of the money by deductions, as well as increasing your write-offs and your expenses also. And if you are already investing, you want to look into tax loss harvesting so that you can balance those gains as well. Being proactive can help save you thousands of dollars from a tax standpoint. That's why it's so important to be aware of the policy changes and what you can and cannot do. And last but not least, you want to prioritize your financial literacy. As you know, knowledge is power. The more you know about managing money, investing, and increasing your wealth, the better you are equipped to navigate not only 2025, but years to come. You read books, listen to podcasts, watch YouTube videos like this one to improve your financial literacy. Financial literacy is not just a tool, it is a superpower, guys. The more you know, the more you can control your financial future and your financial outcomes. There you have it, guys. 10 financial focused strategies for 2025. This will help you save more, invest smarter, and stay ahead of your finances. Remember, building wealth does not happen overnight. But by applying these principles, you're setting yourself up for a very bright, successful financial future. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for future financial tips. Until next